Top 5 apps like LipoGlow Face Wrap Review that actually work today. LipoGlow Face Wrap promises skin tightening and glow, but most people get this wrong by expecting results without verified products. The surprising truth is there are apps that provide trustworthy skincare reviews, verified product recommendations, and effective routines. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Sephora offers expert-reviewed skincare products with verified ratings. Users love detailed reviews and ingredient transparency. Second, Ulta provides product reviews and beauty tips. Customers highlight reliable feedback and curated routines. Third, Influencer community-driven reviews for verified skincare items. Users appreciate authentic user experiences and ratings. Fourth, Skincarism focuses on ingredient analysis and verified reviews. App users report trustworthy product guidance. Finally, Betalish offers professional and user review skincare products. Users value verified insights and recommendations. Pro tip: always check verified reviews, ingredients, and skin compatibility before trying new products. This ensures safety and real results. These 5 apps guide you to effective skincare products and routines while avoiding hype and scams.